Good evening, everyone. A much-needed change could be coming to the Metro as a Minnesota judge has hit pause on the state's new law involving police use of force standards. Valley News Live was the first to tell you back in March when the new law went into effect, as it caused Fargo and West Fargo police, as well as the Cass County Sheriff's Office, to suspend all operations across the Red River out of safety and legal concerns. But as Valley News Team's crime and safety reporter Bailey Hurley found out today, the pause could bring the area partnership back together.
It's been a long 6 months fighting Minnesota's new use of force law for officers on both sides of the river.
Kind of a bit of relief, even though I know it's a temporary injunction. I still think it was at least a step in the right direction.
This week's injunction puts a 60-day hold on the new law, meaning Minnesota's deadly force policies revert to how they were before.
Having this temporary injunction for us as well is going to hopefully be able to get our partnerships with our North Dakota side to be able to start up again.
Since the change in early 2021, there's been 18 less SWAT team members, 5 less on the bomb squad, and 4 fewer members on the Metro Street Crimes Unit responding to incidents on the Minnesota side of the Metro.
You know, that was a huge loss for us, and it made us feel a little vulnerable.
The law change brought safety concerns for both the public and officers, as it created a 3-step process officers had to consider before using any kind of force, all while in the middle of intense and many times life or death situations.
That's very difficult. We're being asked to make split-second decisions that lawyers are getting years to be able to try and review.
You know, if this was the other way around, I wouldn't have wanted my officers going into North Dakota either.
Chief Monroe says while he understands the public wants some type of police reform and that legislators had to do something, he says their swift actions left unintended but concerning consequences for border cities across the state. In Moorhead, Bailey Hurley, Valley News Live.
And police chiefs from Moorhead, West Fargo, and Fargo, as well as both the Clay and Cass County sheriffs, are expected to meet tomorrow on how to move forward with temporary law change and the possibility of bringing mutual aid back.